Good afternoon, everyone. I am Cheryl May Florida Humamoy, and I am the first reporter in this subject. And before everything else, since na-discuss naman ni Mama dance, could somebody give his or her idea what is dance once again? What is dance in your own POV?
Dance, yeah, very little movie.
What is dance? Yes, we are talking about dance here. So what is dance?
So for me, dance is of arts. That reflects our culture.
Okay, thank you, Miss Guiche. Okay, so now another question. How many countries do the world consist? How many countries? Hundreds or thousands?
Thousands. Hundreds. Global.
International. So we have 195 countries in the world. So we have 195 countries in the world. Those 185 countries may have their own culture, made more vibrant, beautiful, and colorful because of one thing. What is it? Because of dance. Okay, because of folk dances. And folk dances are a reflection of who they are. So a brief explanation lang sa is the Chinese, they have their kanang symbolic dragon dance, di ba? Ito ilahan. And I have here a simple picture. Sample picture. So this is a symbolic dragon dance in Chinese. And in Japan, they also have their ancestral dance, which is called the Bon Odori. And this is a sample picture of it. So Chinese na siya, there is sa China, sa Japan, and also in the West, the American, they have their kanang square dance. Square dance. No, so muna siya ang square dance sa America ni siya. Bon Odori. Bon Odori. Ang kini, kanang dragon dance. Symbolic dragon dance. Bon Odori o kanang square dance. And also, and of course, the Philippines will not be left behind. Kaya nga, no, magpabilin, balitang dance, balitang man. So we have folk dances here in the Philippines. Oh, wala siya. Folk dances in the Philippines. And do you know what? That the Philippines is renowned for the Pearl of the Orient. Familiar mo na?
No.
Pearl of the Orient. Pearl of the Orient. The Philippines is renowned as the Pearl of the Orient because of its rich variety of Filipino folk dances. And those dances are not just a performance. They are not dancing the dance because they love to dance. They are not dancing the dance because they are told to dance. But those dances are a cultural expressions that reflects the different history, traditions, and daily life activities of the different regions and ethnic groups within the archipelago. So, and now, how many islands does the Philippines consist? The Philippines consists of 1,741 islands. Dili, wala na sila.
Wala na sila combination.
Basta, wala na sila. Sige. Okay, so, ayaw mo po sa
Isa na ang plan.
isa sa ganan, so, kapag itong 7,641 islands, kaya na-divide siya into 3 groups of islands, and those are the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Each of these regions contains different language, different culture, history, religion, and they also have different kind of influence in arts, in crafts, and as well as in ancestral dances. And this afternoon, as we explore in this topic, please remember that these cultural dances and these cultural dances are represents the hardships and the daily backbreaking tasks of the Filipino that has turned into an art form. And many of the dances that you will know later were just an actual activity of the Filipino were just an actual activity or chores of the Filipino aron nga makasurvive sila sa kanang poor economy and state of the nation back then. Okay, so the history of dance in the Philippines. By the way, what's the difference between history and origin? History of origin. Yes, Arconila. Isa kailangan sa history sa origin. Great siya? History. Very good. Starting point siya, example sa dance, starting point sa dance, beginning sa dance, na nang exist ang dance, and whereas ang history kay entire journey bitaw siya event anak dance. In the Philippines. The traditional dances of the Filipinos are vibrant and colorful, capturing the history of the archipelago. So dance was being developed before Ferdinand Magellan stepped foot in the Philippines, and it was the time that around the time that the Spanish colonized the Philippines in 1565. In 1565. And the Filipino culture before di deeply values dance with its predating roots, Spanish colonization. Kaya traditional dances, traditional Filipino dances, kaya kuhan man siya, made more for their vibrant colors and rich in cultural significance, which reflects the diverse history of the archipelago. And katulad ang dances kay na basta-basta siya that passed down from generation to generation that showcase the unique stories and traditions of the different Filipino communities. Okay, so before the Spanish, this was around the time that before the Spanish colonized the Philippines. Various tribes, basta ka na.
Various tribes were scattered across the world. Each with its own unique tradition and dances. The Igorot tribes live in the mountains of Luzon. A handful of these tribes still resisted Spanish colonization. Many of the dances have been handed down through the generations. Dance expresses this tribe's love of nature and gratitude to the gods. To imitate the wonders of nature, dancers often swoop their arms like birds and stomp their feet to represent the longing of the earth. However, many other tribes in other regions are disappearing, and only a few of their dances survive. Thanksgiving, worship, and prayers for a bountiful harvest mark the style of these dances.
Okay, so kini kay during this mga Igorot tribes, and the Igorot tribes they resisted the Spanish colonization. That is why many of their dances continue to flourish up to the present. But because of their love of nature and their dances represents the nature. Muna ang ilahan tayo kay isuot nila ang ilang arms like the birds because they really love the nature that much. Ilang nila nila yung like the birds, the winds. Tayo, nila mo i-stamp ang ilang feet. Nila mo express ka na nag-represent siya of nature. Sa mga hangin,
Kanang stamp fit dahil ito siya.
Stamp of feet, kaya ka na sa earth, roughly of the earth. Dayan, but sad to say, kay, ang other tribes kay nakuan siya, na-disappear, other tribes in other regions kay na-disappear siya. That is why, few na lang of their dances nga ang nagpabilin ang survive. And one of the dances nga survive ani nga sa Igorot tribes is the Taritik dance. And I have here Taritik dance. Okay. Muna ang example sa Taritik ano ang example sa dances sa mga Igorot nga ni pabilin pa yan siya after the presence, and this dance is like referring to Igorot dance. Sa Lumalabak, and they lived from the Cordillera region of Luzon, which is passed down, ang ilang saya kayo na passed down through generation. And before the Spanish colonization, before the Spanish colonized the Philippines, many of various tribes, including the Igorot tribes, kay inhabited the Philippines, many islands, diba? Daghan kay tawag islands. So, ang Igorot, kay naka-inhabit sila kung kanang daghan nga islands. And each island has their own unique cultures and dances. And these dances, including the Taritik, as well as siya, ay kanang continue, have been preserved and continue to perform up to today. Na-preserve siya, na-perform siya up to the present. So, that is Taritik. So, voyage to Mindanao, this one is siya kanang journey to Mindanao sa arrival of Islam in the Philippines, particularly in the southern region. Ayaw ba sa
Long century of traders and
long before the Spanish, bringing the Islamic faith to them. The inhabitants of the southern region knew of Muslims, known as Moros, are alluring and colorful. Female dancers were accustomed to saddled tools, while male dancers brandished swords and shields. The Moros used armed movements to communicate the world around them, such as the wind, the sea, and the fish. Each dance is indicated by the mounting sounds of the Kulintang, a set of small bones. Like the Igorots, the Moros were able to resist Spanish rule, which is why many of their dances continue to flourish.
So same sa Igorot tribes, the Moros tribes also resisted the Spanish colonization, which is why many of their dances continue to flourish, continue to be performed up to the present. And one of the dances na preserved ani sa Moros dance is is the single dance. And this is an sample picture of the single dance. And single is a vibrant and visually stunning Philippine folk dance, particularly among the Maranao people of Mindanao. It's a royal dance, often depicting scenes from the Maranao Ipig Darangin, and features graceful movements performed between clapping bamboo and drum. Between clapping bamboo, ano siya karang tinikinig mo? And the dance ay characterize siya sa kanang prince and princess. Ang princess, kaya mo siya manipulate sa fans, whereas ang prince kaya nagdala siya kanang sword and shield. Nagdala siya sword and shield. Ano siya? Ngayon, kini siya kanang it characterized of language movements which imitates the natural elements of nature. The natural elements of nature, and kanang ang ilang sayaw kay ni siya sa kanang ang ilang gamit nga kanang gongs. Ang ilang gamit na gongs, which is kulintangan, which is a set of small gongs. And as well as the Lumalabak, just like the Igorot, resist sila sa Spanish colonization. That is why ang ilang which contributed to the preservation and continued practice of their cultural traditions. And my topic ends here.